What is financial freedom? Understanding the pillars of true wealth. Financial freedom means being able to live without constantly worrying about money. It's like having the freedom to follow your dreams, make choices that match your values, and not stress about running out of money. To get there, you need to make a money plan, set goals, find money, figure out what you spend money on, make a budget, avoid debt, save money for emergencies, put more money into savings and investments, and make good money choices. This helps you have a life where you're not constantly anxious about finances, which can be bad for your health. What is true wealth? True wealth is more than just money. It's a rich and fulfilling life filled with happiness, meaningful relationships, good health, and personal growth. The abundance of experiences and moments bring joy and contentment, transcending material possessions to create a life worth living. Before diving into the pillars of true wealth, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications of valuable financial content. Let's get started. Number 1. Financial prosperity. Financial prosperity is the cornerstone of true wealth. It's like the sturdy foundation of a magnificent mansion. It's about having the means to live life on your own terms, securing your future while enjoying the present. Picture it as a lush garden where your money grows, allowing you to seize opportunities, pursue dreams, and provide for loved ones without stress. It's not just about amassing riches, but smartly managing your resources, investing wisely, and watching your wealth flourish. Financial prosperity empowers you to savor life's luxuries, relish adventures, and find peace in knowing that your financial future is secure. Number 2. Physical health. Physical health, the second pillar of true wealth, is your passport to a vibrant and fulfilling life. Think of it as the engine powering your journey. When your body is in peak condition, you're a force to be reckoned with, full of energy, vitality, and resilience. Imagine waking up every day feeling invigorated, ready to conquer challenges and savor life's pleasures. It's about nurturing your body through exercise, balanced nutrition, and self-care, ensuring you're fit for life's adventures. With physical health as your ally, you can fully embrace the richness of existence, cherishing every moment with vigor and zest. Number 3. Mental and emotional well-being. Mental and emotional well-being, the third pillar of true wealth, is the compass guiding your inner world. Imagine it as a sanctuary where tranquility resides. When your mind is at peace and your emotions are in harmony, you're equipped to handle life's ups and downs with grace. It's about building resilience, nurturing self-compassion, and fostering positive relationships. True wealth isn't just about money. It's also the joy of a contented heart and a calm mind. With mental and emotional well-being as your foundation, you unlock the treasures of inner peace and happiness, making your journey through life truly fulfilling. Number 4. Relationships and social connections. Relationships and social connections, the fourth pillar of true wealth, are the vibrant threads weaving the fabric of a fulfilling life. Imagine them as the heartbeats of your existence, connecting you with others in meaningful ways. True wealth isn't just about personal success. It's the joy of shared experiences, laughter, and support from friends and loved ones. Nurturing these connections enriches your life, providing a safety net during challenges and doubling the celebration during victories. It's about building a network of genuine relationships that make every day brighter and life's journey all the more worthwhile. Number 5. Personal growth and development. Personal growth and development, the fifth pillar of true wealth, is the compass guiding you towards your highest potential. Picture it as the steady climb up a mountain, each step bringing new wisdom and strength. True wealth isn't just about material riches. It's also the joy of becoming the best version of yourself. It's about setting goals, embracing challenges, and continuously learning. When you invest in your personal growth, you unlock a treasure trove of opportunities, honing your skills, expanding your horizons, and ultimately leading a deeply fulfilling and purpose-driven life. Number 6. Purpose and fulfillment. Purpose and fulfillment, the sixth pillar of true wealth, are like the guiding stars in your life's journey. They provide direction, meaning, and a sense of profound contentment. True wealth goes beyond material possessions. It's also about finding your passion and contributing to something greater than yourself. Imagine waking up daily with a sense of purpose, knowing your actions have a positive impact. It's about living a life that resonates with your values and brings you deep satisfaction. When you discover your purpose and find fulfillment in it, you unlock the true riches of a life well lived, radiating happiness and leaving a lasting legacy. Number 7. Time freedom. Time freedom, the seventh pillar of true wealth, is the precious gift of reclaiming your most valuable resource, time. Think of it as a magical key that unlocks the doors to life's adventures and cherished moments. True wealth isn't just about financial success, it's also about having the freedom to choose how you spend your days. Imagine having the time to pursue your passions, spend quality moments with loved ones, and explore the world. When you achieve time freedom, you gain control over your schedule and prioritize what truly matters. It's the ultimate luxury, allowing you to savor life's beauty and create lasting memories. Number 8. Generosity and giving. Generosity and giving, the eighth pillar of true wealth, are the heartbeats of a meaningful existence. Think of them as the currency of compassion, enriching your life and the lives of others. True wealth isn't just about personal gain. It's also about sharing your abundance with the world. Imagine the joy of making a positive impact, whether through acts of kindness, charitable contributions, or simply helping. When you embrace generosity, you create a ripple effect of goodwill, fostering connections and leaving a legacy of love and compassion. It's the truest form of wealth, enriching both your soul and the world around you. Number 9. Environmental and ethical considerations. Environmental and ethical considerations, the ninth pillar of true wealth, guide your actions towards a sustainable and conscientious life. Picture it as the responsibility to safeguard our planet and make ethical choices that resonate with your values. True wealth encompasses personal gain and the well-being of our planet and its inhabitants. It's about embracing eco-friendly practices, supporting ethical businesses, and fostering a world where compassion and sustainability thrive. When you prioritize these considerations, you contribute to a brighter, more harmonious future where true wealth is measured not only by financial success, but also by the well-being of our planet and all of its inhabitants. Number 10. Spirituality and inner peace. Spirituality and inner peace, the 10th pillar of true wealth, are the calming balm for your soul amidst life's chaos. Imagine them as the guiding stars in your inner universe, offering serenity and purpose. True wealth extends beyond material riches. It's about finding profound meaning and harmony within. It's about nurturing your spiritual growth, seeking purpose, and finding solace in the depths of your soul. When you embrace spirituality and inner peace, you unlock a treasure of tranquility, empowering you to navigate life's challenges with grace and radiate a serene, positive energy that enriches both your life and the world around you. Financial freedom is just one of the vital pillars of true wealth. As we've explored, this wealth has several facets, including physical health, mental and emotional well-being, relationships, personal growth, purpose, time freedom, generosity, environmental and ethical considerations, spirituality, and inner peace. Together, these pillars form a holistic definition of true wealth, one that encompasses financial success and a rich and fulfilling life. So keep nurturing these pillars, and may your journey towards true wealth be prosperous and meaningful. Thank you for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel.